The second part of our installation involves coming back onto the site during the construction phase. We cut holes through the plaster, we find the wires that we ran during the pre-wire phase, and we terminate them with the associated plugs and connectors. These ones here are for pay TV, free-to-air TV, along with data, and we also run specialist audio-visual cables and anything else that might need to be run to a particular location. Now, great care is also taken to match our wall plates with the power points and the switch plates that the electrician installs. When we're installing in-ceiling speakers, we have to cut large holes into specific locations into the ceiling. This is done at this phase to minimise the amount of dust that's introduced into the home. In specific locations like this master bedroom, we have a TV that's mounted halfway up the wall. So we use these recessed boxes. This allows the TV to be fully connected to the rest of the home to play DVDs, watch Ozstar. But yet, you don't see any of the cables. They're hidden behind the wall and this TV sits very flat, very close to the wall.